Hi, my name is Jeff Southern. I'm an automation specialist with McNaughton-McKay. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the help screen in Rockwell Studio 5000. Today, I'm going to show you a very underutilized function of Studio 5000. It's called the Start page. If it's not visible, you can click on the view in the toolbar and select Start page. Once the page comes up, one of the more useful things in it is the sample code. What this is a various set of routines that are pre-written that you can utilize in your projects. In this case, I'm going to open the one for the compact flash card to be able to read and write to it in the processor. Once the project's open, you can use the controller organizer to view any of the files that were created as part of that sample code. In addition to the sample code, it also has a learning center. These are some really quick videos that you can use to learn more information about new products or how to utilize existing products. In this case, we're going to look at guard logics, and you can see it pulls up a video that you can play. And this video is approximately 10 minutes long. Most of these videos are under 10 minutes. This happens to be one of the longer ones, trying to explain the safety processors and control logics. Another section that's available is How Do I? These are just some general information on how you do various things in the project. And for example, how do I configure an input card? Again, this will play approximately a 6.5-minute video to describe how to add a I/O card to your product tree. And finally, there's also a section called Did You Know? I find this section very useful as it has many information. In this case, I'll click on Keyboard, and you can see, for example, that Control Tab and Shift Control Tab move forwards and backwards between the various windows in Studio 5000. Lastly, there is also a Resource Center. This is where the online books are stored. When you load Studio 5000 on your system, it loads most of these books on your computer. In this case, I'm going to open the local copy of the Quick Start Guide for Logix 5000. Now, one thing, these guides could be a little bit out of date depending on when you loaded your software. You can also click on the link and it will actually go to the web and pull the latest version of that card for you. As you can see, this is the updated version of the Quick Start Guide. Again, if you want to open the product, you have to go to the view and select Start page if it's not visible. I just wanted to give you a sense of what's available to you. There's many more things you can drill down into and find some even more information in this Start page. For additional questions or more videos like this, please give us a call or visit our website.